Explore the ultimate online gadget wonderland where you'll find ingenious solutions for every situation. Elevate your lifestyle with the coolest, most versatile gadgets available online. Some fixes require greater precision, and that's where the Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro comes into play. It's packed with 48 premium accessories, including tough S2 steel bits in both short and long sizes. The dual torque levels make any job a breeze. Just press a button to activate the circular LED light and enjoy snap-on magnetic bit installation. With inbox charging and a sturdy aluminum case, it's built to last. This flashlight from Loop is the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, or anyone in need of a dependable light source. With its adjustable focus lens and LEP technology, the Skywalker SK01s produces bright, even beams of light that can travel up to 5,200 feet. Additionally, the flashlight is compact and lightweight. At the tail end, there's a customizable ambient light. The coolest part? It also includes a set of fidget toys. This is the type of knife you can easily slip into your pocket or attach to your keychain, ensuring it's always on hand for daily tasks. The dual-use blade deploys with a starter tab and is finished with your thumb or a nail nick. The stout blade offers both a scraping and cutting edge. When open, it's secured with an easy-to-operate liner lock. So basically, this is your own little moon, 3D printed using actual imagery of the moon's surface. But here's the cool part. It can defy gravity, floating and spinning in the air entirely on its own. You don't even need a cord or batteries as it's powered by electromagnetic induction. Additionally, the lamp features soft LEDs with 3 lighting modes: yellow, white, and gradient. Think of it as an entire toolbox in a leather holster. Jokes aside, this multifunctional tool features a wrench head that fits over 20 bolts and turns like a ratchet. Need to cut boxes, paper, wood, and more? There's a razor-sharp blade for that. The angled crowbar makes holding and cutting comfortable, easy, and safe. It's also handy for opening various cans and removing nails. Additionally, it includes a magnetized bit slot that fits any 1/4-inch diameter attachment. Finally, an integrated clip, carabiner, and lanyard hole provide multiple carrying options. Worried about your elderly parents? This smart nightlight will help take care of them. It plugs into a socket and starts working immediately, allowing you to communicate with loved ones and detect potential issues. Built-in sensors detect motion, sound, temperature, and more to learn their daily routines and habits. The coolest part is the hands-free communication feature, which is handy if they don't answer their phone for a while. The well-being monitor sends you a notification when it detects something abnormal. You can set the dedicated app to send you scheduled notifications throughout the day. Additionally, you can set voice reminders for medications, appointments, or just to let them know you're thinking of them. Operates seamlessly with the Lenovo YogaBook 9i, boasting an impressive and innovative design. This full-size OLED dual-screen laptop makes creative work a breeze. It functions as a traditional clamshell, but also offers multi-mode functionality, allowing you to switch between laptop, tablet, and tent modes based on your needs. For instance, tent mode lets you display a slide presentation on one screen while controlling it from the other. Operating on the Intel Evo platform, it features the latest generation of Intel Core processors. Additionally, with its thin and light design, this gadget includes a folio stand, detachable Bluetooth keyboard, and Lenovo-designed Smart Pen stylus for on-the-go work. You'll enjoy its two 13.3-inch 2.8K OLED displays, which boast incredible color accuracy for watching shows. Plus, they feature Dolby HDR, Dolby Atmos spatial audio, and a 360-degree rotating soundbar with Bowers & Wilkins speakers. Not satisfied with your monitor? No problem. Here's an ultra-wide 14-inch 4K monitor for all your needs. It's not just a monitor, it's a gaming console, 4K theater, and device charger all in one. Featuring a 32.9 ultra-wide screen with maximum viewing angles, immediate response, and a 60 Hz refresh rate, all objects are rendered clearly and smoothly. You can connect up to 4 devices simultaneously, including PCs, laptops, Macs, and smartphones. The split-screen option allows seamless multitasking for work applications like data analysis, stock trading, Excel, and more. The device's versatile protective stand allows multiple screen angle adjustments, so you can use it comfortably anywhere and anytime.